People in the ancient times, they knew their astrology. They knew what the stars were doing. They knew where they were at. There are pyramids in Giza and in Egypt that point to specific stars by the degree. They created the calendar. They knew about the cycles of the moon. These were not ignorant people. So when he says this appears to us without reason, an eclipse of the sun, they weren't expecting an eclipse that day. Julius Africanus mentions another historian by the name of Phlegon, who in his Chronicles of History around 140 AD, he also mentions the darkness surrounding this specific day where Jesus was crucified. It says Phlegon records that in the time of who? Tiberius Caesar. We're coming back to that again. At full moon, there was a full eclipse of the sun. A full eclipse of the sun from the 6th to the 9th hour. If you recognize and understand how the Jewish time clock worked then, the day started at 6 a.m. So the 6th hour would have been noon till about 3 p.m. It says, but what has an eclipse in common with an earthquake, the rending of rocks, and the resurrection of the dead? He said that all the systems of the earth and of their known universe did some weird things that day, and he doesn't understand what do these have in common. There was a darkness, there was an earthquake, rocks were falling apart, and dead people was coming back to life.